Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer L1800, a complete direct-to-film transfer printing solution, perfect for custom clothing businesses, DIY creators, and apparel designers. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking to start or scale up your own t-shirt printing business, the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer L1800 offers everything you need to produce vibrant, durable designs on both dark and light garments with professional quality. This bundle includes not only the printer and roll feeder, but also a curing oven, giving you a ready-to-go setup right out of the box. Let's begin with the A3 L1800 printer itself. It's capable of high-resolution printing and supports roll media, which means you can create continuous designs without stopping to reload sheets. This saves time, boosts efficiency, and is ideal for bulk production. It uses a specialized white ink circulation system, which helps prevent clogging in the printhead and keeps your prints sharp, consistent, and vibrant. This is especially important when working with DTF, direct-to-film, printing, where reliable ink flow is crucial to maintaining high-quality output. The PUNEHOD printer uses CMYK plus white ink, allowing you to print rich colors and opaque whites on both dark and light clothing. Whether you're printing logos, text, photos, or full-color artwork, the final transfers come out smooth, detailed, and ready for heat application. Now let's talk about workflow. The process is simple: print your design onto DTF film, sprinkle the hot melt adhesive powder, cure it using the included oven, and then transfer it directly onto your fabric using a heat press. This method works on cotton, polyester, blends, and more, giving you unmatched versatility compared to traditional screen printing or vinyl. The included curing oven is a major bonus, allowing you to evenly melt the adhesive powder and ensure a proper bond between the film and the fabric. It delivers reliable, consistent results and speeds up the process for small businesses that need quick turnaround times. The printer supports A3 size prints, making it perfect for large chest prints, back designs, or even gang sheet layouts for multiple small items. It's great for printing on t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. Another advantage of this setup is the roll feeder, which helps automate your workflow. You can print long runs without constantly loading individual sheets, making it a strong fit for print shops or home-based businesses aiming to scale. In terms of software compatibility, it supports RIP software, which allows for precise control over color management, ink usage, and layout settings, giving you the flexibility to customize and streamline every print job. Whether you're a professional in garment customization or a hobbyist looking to turn your passion into profit, the PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer L1800 bundle delivers outstanding value. It's cost-effective, beginner-friendly, and includes all the essential tools to start printing right away. To wrap it up, this is more than just a printer, it's a complete DTF printing solution that gives you high-quality results, flexibility for all types of fabrics, and efficiency for bulk orders. From DIY projects to full-on apparel production, the PUNEHOD A3 L1800 with roll feeder and oven is a solid investment. Click the link below for the best price and take your custom clothing game to the next level with the PUNEHOD DTF printing system.